Hey guys, it's Joe from Profit Wolf, and I just wanted to bring something to your attention here. So I was talking to a few people, and it seems that some of the users are going a little too quick when they're analyzing results. So for example, they would look at these items, and the only thing they would look at is the Keepa chart, and they would see that there's no green line, there's no sales rank, so they would discard this item thinking that there are no sales. But actually, you should really try to see the product as a whole. So here you can and you should use the BSR, the best sellers rank. That's also a good indication. So you see here, for example, this product has a BSR of 29K and this one 9K. So that's why when I was looking at this scan, I was a little suspicious because I did not see any sales rank here, but I saw a BSR that was not bad at all. So then actually what happens is that when you look at the item on Amazon, so I'm going to open it, you see that there's actually some sales, like for example, in the past 3 weeks, there's been 2 or 3 sales. And that's a big difference when you look at just the screenshot that's provided by Keepa and when you compare that to the actual Keepa graph. So, I'm not saying that this is necessarily a good buy, but you may be missing on a lot of good products just because you're going a little bit too fast and you're not looking at the big picture. So here's another example. Here you see the screenshot that Keepa gives us is not complete, unfortunately. It's not perfect. In a lot of times, yes, we get the full Keepa graph in a screenshot, but here in this case, again, we don't get the sales rank. But by looking at the BSR, you may be triggered to actually look at the item itself on Amazon. And if we do just that, we see that indeed the product has some sales. Again, there's 3 sales in the past few weeks, whereas on the screenshot there was no sales at all. So yeah, just wanted to say that be careful when you analyze your deals. Make sure not to miss anything. And basically, I'm not saying that you have to look at exactly every single item, but definitely when you see a good best sellers ranking here, but you don't see any sales rank on the screenshot, definitely check those. Obviously, if the sellers rank if there's nothing and then you don't see anything here, that's probably an item that doesn't sell. Okay, or if you see a crazy high, like this one, a crazy high BSR and then a flat sales rank, then yeah, you don't have to check it. But at least for these very few ones, you should check the items because they may be potential good buys. So yeah, that's it, guys. I just wanted to bring you this update. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.